Hey Sparkers! Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, SparkForge got a 10-minute beginner-friendly full-body workout that requires zero equipment and can be done right in the comfort of your home. I'm certain you won't have a cause for regrets. These moves are simple, effective, and perfect for building strength, burning calories, and boosting your energy levels. Let's do this! You can save it till whenever you're ready, but do well to keep your body in top form. Before we jump in, we're starting with a quick warm-up to get the blood flowing and prevent injuries. Follow along, lift those knees and pump your arms. This gets your heart rate up and warms up the muscles. Big circles forward, then backward. This loosens up your shoulders and gets you ready for the upper body moves. Feeling good? Let's move on to the main workout. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower into a squat. Go as low as you're comfortable and press back up. This strengthens your legs and glutes while also engaging your core. Plus, it's great for improving your posture. Keep breathing. If you're new, just do small movements and build up over time. Hands on the floor, knees down, and lower your chest toward the ground, then push back up. These build upper body strength, especially in your chest, shoulders, and arms. Don't worry if it's challenging. It gets easier with practice. Take your time and focus on form. You've got this, and SparkForge got you. Move 3. Standing side crunches for 1 minute. Stand tall, bring your elbow and knee together on one side, then switch. This targets your obliques and strengthens your core while keeping your heart rate up. This one is fun and gets your body moving in a new way. Move 4. Reverse lunges for 1 minute. Step one leg back, lower into a lunge, then return to standing. Alternate legs. Lunges work your legs, glutes, and core while improving balance. Feeling the burn? That's your muscles waking up and getting stronger. Hands under your shoulders, body in a straight line. Hold here. Planks strengthen your entire core, improve posture, and even work your arms and shoulders. Challenge yourself. Hold as long as you can. If you need a break, drop to your knees but keep going. Jump with your legs going out and arms overhead, then back in. A full body cardio move that boosts heart health and burns calories. Let's finish strong. Keep that energy up. This is where you push yourself. Great job, everyone. Now let's cool down and stretch to relax those muscles. Reach for your toes or as far as you can. This stretches your hamstrings and lower back. Reach one arm overhead and lean to the side. This opens up your sides and feels amazing after a workout. And there you have it, a 10-minute workout that's simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. How do you feel? Remember, every workout is a step closer to your goals, no matter how small. Repeat this workout 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll see progress in no time, as long as you stay consistent. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of what you love. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep moving forward. Don't forget to stay sparked.